Greetings, Mark Weithorn here, your real estate trainer with your 2-minute tech tip. Today, we're going to go over some tips on how to hire a photographer. Good photographs are critical for selling real estate. The best way to get good photos is to hire a professional photographer. They have the cameras and the lights to do a good job. Here are some tips. First, be prepared. Have the seller clean, declutter, clear off the counter spaces, move any cars that are in the driveway. Don't be embarrassed to ask the seller. They are hiring you as a professional to guide them. One trick is balancing the light coming in from the outside with the light inside. Many times your smartphone cannot handle this. This is another reason to hire a pro. These days, most pros also have a drone. Aerial photos lend a different perspective. Lastly, it is important to read the contract you have with the photographer. Make sure you own the photographs. Many times the photographer will maintain ownerships of the photos. This can cause many copyright issues down the road. Well, that's it for this 2-minute tech tip. My name is Mark Weithorn with Showcase Websites. We have been creating websites for realtors for close to 20 years now. These websites have the IDX, a built-in client management system, and new and existing developments with floor plans. We also automatically blog for you and automatically post these blog articles on your social media pages. And we also send out a weekly email e-newsletter to all your clients. You can visit us at dpishowcase.com, and please remember to subscribe and like my YouTube channel to get updated videos. Thanks for listening to my 2-minute tech tip, and have a great day.